And I want to assure you, through your work and through your advice, we have been able to achieve a lot, particularly on projects that we have promised our people. We have opened a number of maternity wings, a number of dispensaries, and roads network has improved despite other areas complaining here and there that they have not seen the tractors. But there is an adequate plan that those areas that we have not reached, we will reach eventually. The other very important thing that I wanted to remind you is that we were able to get insurance for all our employees, and I'm very sure that we will continue for the next year so that everybody will have an insurance. The outcry that we used to have, the bills that the employees used to bring to my office, has at least gone down, and a number of people are getting the insurance and they are getting help. Again, I insist that each department, you must have a plan. You cannot have a performance contract and you don't have a plan as a department. I've seen about 4 or 5 that have developed their plans, and others have not, meaning that you need to borrow from your colleagues what they have been able to do. Those of you who I already mentioned to you that you are yet not there. You're still struggling in terms of even understanding what you're supposed to do. But the third year, I think, if we were to evaluate you by the end of the third year, at least everybody now understand what performance contracting is.
And all these responsibilities are cascaded from the performance contracting, because those are the key performance indicators of every department. I know this is the third cycle of signing performance contracting, and I know quite a number of you have learned a lot. It has not been an easy journey, but I know the little experience you have gained, now you'll be able to propel performance in your respective departments, so that the county government and even the governor can be able to fulfill the promises he has made to the public. He cannot do it alone. Unless you help him, unless you support him, be loyal, as our pastor has said, he cannot be able to realize what he has promised the public. There has been a laxity, a kind of a laxity, and especially in reporting to work by staff. We really need, as departments, to motivate our staff so that they are on duty. Because even if you cascade the performance contracting key performance indicators, if the staff are not available, who will do them? So there is that general laxity which I don't know how it can be addressed by the public service to ensure that everybody comes to duty. Because unless really all of us come up and support the governor, we may not realize the objectives we have set.